shot.
Whoa!
Woo! There we go.
There, we got it, AG. There we go. Hell yeah.
And our empty bottles are having fun too.
They knew what they were getting into.
Whoa. Whoa. Damn, I kind of want to cut over to the Bomb Range Road. It's probably pretty bad too, but it's not as bad as this. I don't know about going. It can't. It's not that far away. I can't believe how bad this is.
She laughs every time we bounce.
I know.
I love it. It's my favorite.
It is fun.
Like it's just, I don't know. I love it. Like I'd rather be thrown all over the place than go fast.
Yeah.
Like I just think it's so much more entertaining.
Whoa. We brought the right girl. She getting a damn orgasm.
I'm pissed off. Pull over. I hate this.
This is terrible.
Just leave me out here. I'm so mad. Like get out, bitch. I'm just kidding. I love you guys.
And next week I'm driving this truck to Chicago.
Hopefully it's still gonna be good.
After this weekend or this today, I'll be like, thank God. It's on the regular interstate.
Yeah, no shit.
Highways.
Papa needs a break. Look at that random tree. Just like
Survivor. Survivor. I'm not gonna give up.
Sucks.
I'm a tree.
leave me be.
Bitch. Aw, this one has a buddy at least next to him.
Now we're in like a section. It's like fuck. I'd love to turn around and go the other way, but we're so committed now.
We're good. I'm good with that.
Hopefully we can get past this. I'm thinking after this mountain it should die down. I'm thinking.
This is pretty bad.
I've never been out here like this before.
I've been in a blizzard where I couldn't see my face or my hand in front of my face.
You couldn't see your
Australia
face?
skiing, and I'm not a good skier. That was probably the scariest thing ever. This ain't shit. This is. I am not worried.
Well,
And look, you can already tell it's clearing up. You can see the mountain a hell of a
Yeah.
lot more now.
yeah.
Oh, good.
This ain't shit. Oh,
Damn age.
oh God, the random stuff you picked up on Snapchat.
I don't know how I'm getting it.
You can tell it's smoothing out too.
Yeah.
It doesn't blow as much here. Damn. I know that sand wash is coming up. It's right around where this rock protrudes. We gotta find how to get into it and across it. Holy shit. Good thing we got poles to follow.
Yeah. Thank God, right? It's getting a little better at Chatonka, see?
Yeah.
There we go. I think we passed it.
Oh, we're gonna cut across here and hit the Bomb Range Road. Bomb Range Road is gonna be better. We can cross that sand wash, no problem there. if we can even recognize the Bomb Range Road when we get to it.
Yeah.
We'll see the train tracks though, I'm sure. That's the gypsum rail. They mine gypsum up here and then they go to take it to Plaster City that way. And they have like a big underground factory where they make drywall and shit.
Good train.
There are some areas around here where it just cracks open.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a fun day.
Ah, we found a road.
I feel sorry for people who are at work and stuff.
I know.
I know you guys would have been sorry for me, but hey, I'm here.
I know, your text made me happy.
I know, I was trying to think about how to make it the worst possible scenario.
Well, we
And I
went.
was about to take a picture and be like, I'm so sorry.
Well, we went a little further because you're here. I got 2 people to help me dig out if we get stuck.
Well, you said it. You said it. You said, what if I told you?
No, I know, but before I sent that, I was thinking of like, oh, what if I sent like a picture like, I'm so sorry, I'm still stuck at work. I was gonna take a picture of my uniform even though I was at home. And then like, oh, sorry. And then like the next one was like, changed in a different outfit, ready to go.
Oh my god! I would have been so excited.
But then I was scared that you guys were gonna leave without me, so I was like, I don't want to push it, so I'm just gonna say I'm ready.
Here's the Bomb Range Road.
Because I didn't know you were at your sister's.
Well, I've been staying there, but
Yeah, I thought you were already at his, like waiting for me. That's why I thought 9 o'clock.
well,
Do we want
I
that side or
actually
this
helped
side?
my sister-in-law get the kids ready this morning, and that's why I was like 10 minutes late. But whatever.
Shit, I gotta text her before the fucking at least 9.
Actually, right when you text me, my sister left with the kids, so it was perfect timing.
It was perfect timing in my book too, because I was there for 10 minutes and got to go home.
That is pretty cool. That
Dude,
out of all the
lucked out,
days,
right?
well,
All the days.
I'm glad I told you about it.
Yeah, me too. Because then I texted Jen. I wanted to make sure because I wasn't sure if she really had to go to work or like just check in and leave.
Well, we're
But
supposed to go.
she said she had to.
Well, we're supposed to go
taxi.
kayaking and stand up paddleboarding tomorrow. So,
Yeah.
Where are you going?
you want to go tomorrow too?
I'm not sure if I can.
Well, you can if you want. We're going where me and Britt and Tom used to go on the Marine base in Point Loma.
Oh,
It's really cheap and really nice. It's not crowded because military can only get in the base.
Yeah, I'm thinking I need to spend time getting ready for my trip. I got a bunch of shit I gotta do.
You'll be fine. You have all day and all night. You can spare 3 hours. Just
She's like,
just take the match spring time out of your schedule and you're good.
I'm not good at that. I'm not good at time management. That's why I don't have a job.
Rachel, he's a man.
Well, I'm quick. Minute and a half, we're good. What? No, seriously. And after that, 30 seconds.
Oh, look at all the graffiti.
Can we take a
I love
picture?
that.
Can we take a picture of the graffiti?
We're so weird.
Well, I
do
kind
like, no, I like pictures.
I wouldn't
like
mind
this.
taking a picture, have a cigarette on. Oh! Woo!
Yeah, let's stop it here and take pictures. I want to take pictures.
Yeah, we can make it. We can be
Do you
all
think I
emo.
should pee over by the border patrol's truck?
Yeah, yeah.
Don't matter.
He won't see. He won't see because ow, right in the balls. Well, thanks for helping me.
Yeah. That's what I'm here for.
Okay.
Yo, he waved.
I waved at him.
Did he wave?
Yeah. Do you want me to have a Mexican flag on the truck?
We did it. Don't suck my ass.
Oh, that's good. That's really good. But look, just your leg got in that one. Or did you zoom in?
What?
Did you zoom into that one, or is that the actual?
I zoomed in.
Okay, I was gonna say it's just your little leg in there. That's good. I can't wait to.
And we got Tom's truck and the Border Patrol in the background.
That's awesome. Just a normal day.
Yeah.
Surviving in Cali. It's a hard knock life for the whites.
Yeah, for the whites.
Maybe we're past the silt, or is the silt after this?
It's so weird that just 10 minutes ago we couldn't see shit. Now it's.
I know, right? And look at the difference in the rock and the sand.
Yeah.
Come on, belt. There we go.
Oh, I hate when that shit happens. It's like you can fly and then whoa, and lock. Oh, can't breathe. Let's get down.
Let's jump that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what happened? Oh, cause see, that's where the. Oh God.
Oh, we could make that.
Yeah.
Let's do it from this side.
That almost looks like a dust tornado to the right.
It is.
Yeah.
Where?
See to
Over
the
there.
Right there.
Yeah.
That's a dust tornado, a
Oh.
dust devil. Oh. Yeah, we'll try to avoid the mud.
See, my first instinct is Florida.
No.
Well, we don't want to get stuck.
No, I know, but that's when we're in like our ATVs and shit, where I can lift myself out.
Yeah. Yeah, this truck's a little heavy. It's like
Yeah.
7,000 pounds. I don't think we would have got stuck through that, but I'd rather not try.
Yeah. I'm good. I'm good.
I mean, if there were a bunch of people out here with us, that'd
Yeah.
be fine because then you just throw the
Yeah.
tow rope on and pull you out. But
I know, I was telling Rachel this morning how retarded I felt. Because she was like, oh, you remember Tom? I'm like, yeah. And she's like, oh, we're taking his new Raptor out. So I'm thinking literally ATV Raptor, like the side-by-side crazy stuff, you know?
Uh-huh.
And I was like, well, what are you wearing? Like, should I wear, because I've never gone on the sand dunes. I'm like, should I wear sand boots and stuff? And had I known, like, a retard that we were in a truck, I would have asked. I'm like, oh, God, I really thought we were going.
that's right, because they do have a Raptor
Yeah, that's what all we used to work on. So I was like, hell yeah, but I mean, this is just as fun. But I was just like, felt like a retard. She's probably like, tank tops and a shirt. Like, what else would you wear in a car? I'm like, oh.